I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine final year, MBBS. Start by mapping all required exams and clinical competencies, then break them into weekly goals and daily tasks. Prioritize high-yield topics, schedule active recall and spaced repetition, and reserve time for patient encounters and bedside skills. Track progress with short practice exams and adjust the plan every week based on weak areas and feedback from seniors. Use active learning to convert passive reading into durable knowledge. Create flashcards for drugs, investigations, and key signs, then review them with spaced repetition daily. Simulate clinical cases with peers, verbalizing history and examination steps, and practice presenting concise assessment and plans. Teach juniors a topic to expose gaps, and always write brief exam-style answers to improve speed and clarity under pressure. On exam day, stick to a clear, practiced routine to reduce stress. Read each question twice, outline a quick structure, and allocate time per section to avoid rushing. Prioritize high-scoring tasks, answer what you know first, and flag tougher items to revisit. Keep clinical notes concise, name critical investigations and initial management, and breathe deeply between stations to maintain focus and clarity throughout the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.